Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some fun information with you guys. As you guys know, I am part of the Peachy Cheap design team. So I'm here to share an offer that's going to come up March 21st. And it's for this kit by Blvd called Secrets of the Sea, but the girl. Because they currently offer the girl and the boy. So this one's all mermaid under the sea type theme. And it's adorable, you guys. You're gonna see. Now, I've torn into some of my stuff because I've created a project, and I'll share that towards the end of the video. But I wanted to show you guys what you get when you purchase the kit from Peachy Cheap. So here we go. So you definitely get the paper pad, and then you do get some clips, which I'm gonna show you guys in a few. And then you get, of course, the ephemera pack. You will be getting that, and then you get a sticker sheet, which is like this, and it's filled with all these spots. I don't think there's a picture in the back, no, but of course I've torn into mine to create a project. But you guys, this will be available on March 21st. I don't know the pricing as of yet, but if I do get that information, I will put that down below so you guys can be prepared for that day to pick this collection up if you want. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's included. So first off, let me show you the paper pad. Let's move this along and show you the paper pad. So this is a, I think 6x8, yes, 6x8 paper pad, and it says it includes 2 exclusive patterns, and these are like all the sheets you get. It includes 2 of each, 12 designs, and I love these sizes. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the papers that I used. See, and they're double-sided with solids on the other side. And I want to make sure that you guys can see. And there's that one. There's this one. You guys, this paper is so beautiful. Wait till you guys see what I made. Isn't this cute? I love this teal green. Look at this one, you guys. How stinking cute. Look at the little mermaids. I love that it has like the solids on the other side. And let me see if I missed any other sheets. So we're gonna go through it. Then there's this one that I didn't show. There's this one. I didn't show this one. This one's pretty too. And then, oh, I didn't show you guys also that, let's see, the solids on the back. And I love that they sell them now like 6x8. I love that because you get more paper. So that's awesome. So that's the paper that you're going to be getting. You're also going to get a bunch of ephemera, which I used a bunch of mine on my project, but let me show you guys what I do have left. I have these, the little fish. I love this one. So cute. The little mermaids are adorable. You get this little love word. So this is what I didn't use on my project, but let me see if I can show you guys. This is what you do get in the pack. And let me fix the focus so you guys can see. So you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 mermaids, and then you get all these cute little pieces. That's a great deal. I love these. These are so cute, especially the mermaids. And then the sticker pack, they're like little Puffy stickers. You guys, look at how cute she is. And the detail on her face. And I love how they do like a redhead, a dark skin. So cute. Okay, you guys. And that's everything that you get in the kit. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. You get also some designer clips. And this is what they look like. And let me show you guys some of the ones that I have left, because I did use some in my project. So we have this one. We have this cute little polka dot one. Little seashell. XO. the mermaid. Swim with the mermaids. This little cute one. Oops. We got that one. And this one. Another mermaid one. And this one that says swim. So we got those. You can share with your pen pals. Put those two there. Now to show you guys what I created with this collection, which I'm obsessed with. I think it came out so cute. And I haven't made one in a while, so I had to. You guys, I made a pocket letter. Didn't it turn out so cute? Look how cute, you guys. I need to move these. I did a little, what do you call it, shaker pocket in the back. And then I added like a little tassel, some washi tape samples. I added one of the little pieces of ephemera right here. It says hi girl with a little fish. Some little water, little thingies. We got a little mermaid right here. Being that I did seal the pockets with the fuse tool, I always like to hide the line. I don't like the way the line looks. So I put some rope and then like some, what is that, riffraff with the gold. I added some confetti in there and then the sequins, and then there's like little fishies right here. I'll bring it up in a few. Mermaids have more fun. And then over here we have like some little like water with a turtle. Is this a dolphin? Yes, a little dolphin, some flowers, a little fishy right here, and the seashells. And then the little mermaids right here with some fishes, a little seashell, a little heart. And then I put up here, you are my one and only. Over here I shared some clips in the pocket letter. And in this little pocket, I shared a clip, a bunch of ephemera pieces. It says travel the world. And then we just have like some under the water type theme right here. So we got some little seaweeds and the little whale with the little bird on top of her. And then the little fishies over here. It says splash. You guys, I think it turned out so cute. I got this little mermaid ribbon coming down this way. So I'm going to bring it up so you guys can see it up close. And I think it turned out so cute. So these are the first pockets. That's the shaker pocket. Didn't it turn out so cute, you guys? And then that's the ribbon. And then this is what the tassel looks like. But yeah, you guys, that's what I created using the collection for Peachy Cheap this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys are interested in picking this up for a great deal, definitely go check out Peachy Cheap on March 21st. I'll have the info down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!